Si jamais on se met sur la scène, hein, forcément. Donc comme je le disais, on va partir vers la surface avec tout ce qu'il y a en termes de... avec suffisamment ici de... on va dire de testament pour essayer d'avoir la conquête de la surface. Ça va être chaud. Voilà tout. On commence avec un marteau, ce qui est très bien pour commencer. Les projectiles persistent. Les attaques consomment, mais c'est pas mal. Les techniques consomment et scannalisent plus vite. On va prendre celui-là. Juste que je fasse attention à ce truc là, c'est un peu dangereux quand même. Hop, allons-y. Ok, commencer à récupérer ça. Péter la thune qui est là. Et récupérer ensuite ceci.
A journey that your mother made many a spring, but at a different time, whilst not beset by thuggish followers of a despicable titan.
Alors, ça c'est très bien. Ça c'est aussi très bien. L'avoir directement en épique, c'est quand même pas mal. Une seconde pour restaurer tout son mana, c'est quand même vachement cool. On va prendre celui-là. Voyons un peu ce qu'on a. La vie, on ira la prendre, de même que ces lunes. On a une bonne régène. Limite, Zeus pourrait être très intéressant. On va commencer par la vie. Truc juste. Alors, on va juste. Hop, reste avec le voilà. On joue safe, calmement, il n'y aura pas de problème, je pense. Et pas mal de la thune, ce qui est très pratique. Est-ce qu'on a d'autres trucs? Rien par ici. Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut tenter ensuite? On a dit c'est lui. Ah.
You save your breath, I'll save mine. Earn your keep if you like. Gods, watch this!
Ok, on aurait pu mieux faire.
My favor in exchange for drink? No. You waste all resources and time. My time as well. You'll get a share of spoils if you earn your kills, but nothing more.
I understand. Nevertheless, we're both working for the same family, and I have seen firsthand the efforts you're taking to drive back their enemies. And I'm grateful.
You make it to the mountaintop as yet? In case you haven't, nothing good awaits you there. Or so I hear.
What do you mean, Typhon? I'm surprised the Olympians don't have you helping out with him, instead of bashing a bunch of weaklings far from where the real danger is.
The Olympians ought to bide some half-god stealing their glory. I get the drudgery, not the important work. Thank the fates that you get some of each. I go.
I call upon the moon and draw you down.
Alors qu'est-ce qu'on a de
You
sympa?
may enact the Testament of Night this eve, as difficult as it may be to overcome the growing fear that spreads with each and every uttered vow.
Alors, on va prendre celui-là parce qu'il est très très bien. Quoique, le rayon de lumière va être cool. Non, celui-là.
Dark side.
Darkseid, c'est peut-être ce qu'il y a de mieux, surtout sur un truc où je sais pas comment je vais jouer. Donc,
They're trying to slow me down.
alors, le dash de Poséidon est vraiment très très bien, donc je pense que j'irai le chercher. Mais d'abord, on va aller chercher Zeus parce que l'avantage, quoique, l'attaque sur Poséidon, elle est super forte en fait, vu que je vais repousser.
Hold still in their shades. He's back.
Bon, je peux mal perdre quand même, j'en ai beaucoup.
Lord Poseidon, so many mortals know you as the Earthshaker, for the land and sea alike bend to your will, but I'm so deeply fortunate to know you as my uncle. I won't forget your kindness and spirit.
You needn't waste your nectar on me, niece. Not like I can drink it all the way from here. Perhaps that's just how it is with offerings. Mortals, they leave us strips of fresh cooked meat and things like that. What was I on about?
Allez, j'aimerais bien sur l'attaque, ce serait vraiment cool.
With witchery, fine. But you have much to learn about the fishing arts. And to have demonstrated interest is the first step toward mastery. Catching a huge variety of water denizens is the next.
Technique, lorsqu'un ennemi approxime sa base. Ah, ça peut valoir le coup maintenant, cela dit.
I'm routing.
Ok. Bon, ce sera utile forcément.
Adequate.
Le fait de doubler tous mes trucs, et notamment la thune, c'est quand même un truc qui sera bien pratique. L'avoir dès le début, en fait, c'est tout ça qui est cool.
Can't do it.
Allez, on en a plein. On en profite.
Benevolent Lord Uncle Zeus, I have for you another offering, as meager as it is. May you soon have occasion to enjoy it peaceably.
I'm often showered in such offerings, you know. However, coming from one such as you, it means a lot more to me than the rest. My other children stand to learn from you. The traitorous Titan Prometheus leads the vanguard of our enemy's forces on Olympus. Apparently he didn't learn a thing from when we punished him for his past crimes. We shall have...
Les attaques captées chargées, les techniques captées chargées. Je suis pas très fan au niveau des... On va quand même prendre un niveau des techniques étant
Sure.
le plus augmenté.
Blast.
Alors... J'aime beaucoup quand même. Des petits détails comme ça. Est-ce qu'il y en a d'autres? Pas l'impression. Allez, on continue avec du Zeus. Ça dépend juste d'un truc. Est-ce qu'il y a un... Ouais, avant de prendre du Zeus, je vais prendre un Déméter de plus parce que je l'ai sur les attaques. C'est quand même vachement bien.
Couldn't do it.
Allez. Tu prends aussi.
To the goddess whose power truly is the lifeblood of our world. It's by your grace that such an offering of nectar may exist at all.
Our flower. Surely there are other matters weighing heavily upon you now. More so than honoring your elders in the customary way. Nevertheless, I'm grateful for this, truly.
In the name of Hades.
Ruée. Point de vie restauré à chaque fois. Ah, ça peut être pas trop mal. Oh, quoique. Ça c'est très très bien. L'avoir dès le début, c'est cool.
For my mother.
L'augmentation des bienfaits au fur et à mesure, c'est on ne peut mieux dès le début. Ça m'assure d'avoir des bienfaits qui sont bien boostés.
Getting
Et
somewhere.
on va finir avec un Zeus.
You'll be out in no time, Shades. Can't do it. Enough. Olympus, I accept this message.
Ok. Léon, oh ça c'est très très bien.
No getting used to that.
Bon, il va falloir que je récupère du mana par contre. Pour des raisons évidentes.
Can't right now.
Et ben voilà,
Steady
c'est parfait.
now.
Suffisait juste de demander. Ok.
Those shamblers.
Ok. J'ai passé par 40.
Finally.
Très très bien.
In the name of Hades.
Très bien en fait celui-là. La frappe volcanique empêche que le monde direct. On a pas besoin de vie. Allez, on va
Thank you
tester.
for your service.
It's you. I thank you, sorceress. Infusing fear into the night lets me conduct certain experiments I normally cannot. Though I'm also bound to test you here, as does Great Hecate below.
Test me? Lady Medea, what of the massive Cyclops already barring my path? He'll try to eat us both.
Nah, this witch here is not exactly to my taste. And besides, we got ourselves a little arrangement now. Since I can't smell as easy, what with all the bodies popping up.
Your fight is with the Cyclops still. My aim is merely to enact the will of night in my own way. Do try your best to pretend I'm not even here, which may be difficult, admittedly. Best concentrate on him.
You.
Twitch your flapping. Here's something. Down to crawling. Ooh, I popped.
Déjà, putain. Putain déjà. Et B.
Great Hecate, this victory is mine.
Ok, c'est vraiment pas le même niveau.
Best not come between a shepherd and his flock.
Waouh.
Wakey, wakey. You ever faced a Cyclops, Phrenos? No?
Who dares? Everlasting pain and suffering upon you, witch! You trespass on my hallowed ground. Your cries for mercy shall drown in your throat.
Please, forgive my careless indiscretion, Madam Spirit. I beg of you. I intended no offense.
Oh, wow. You're really into this stuff, huh?
Oh, come on.
I shall return!
My greetings.
Alors,
Whatever ails you, your amphibious companion shall listen.
nice.
You shall procure a wide variety of denizens of the deep. You took some interest in this goddess to whom I am said to be bound, presuming she is Eos, the incarnate of dawn. The truth is, when the Fates first told me about her, I grew rather frustrated.
I would have probably been frustrated as well. Did your sisters foresee this union or arrange it? Perhaps they sought to unite your powerful family with that of a Titaness.
In typical fashion, they revealed little, but the way in which they kept describing this goddess or Titaness and telling me how contented I would be, it was the first time I questioned their wisdom. Not outwardly, of course.
They probably meant well, but What is it you intend to do?
If I am doomed to be with Dawn, then so be it. But I shall not be forcing that outcome along. I would much prefer to remain here, if you'll have me.
The choice ought to be yours.
Oh! Nice. Est-ce que ça veut dire que je peux déjà le faire? On dirait. C'est bien ça? Ouais. On va d'abord faire 2-3 trucs, mais on va profiter.
Moonlight guide you.
How many attempts was that now? Good thing our Titan friend's too busy with your topside relatives to pay you much attention.
Sorry, not been keeping count. I'll get there when I get there. Though surely you would have vanquished the Titan Lord on your very first go.
Guess we'll never know, will we?
What do I need? Trade you?
Hail, Goddess. You've recruited that one shifty-looking shade for the renewal project. A scrappy start is still a start. I'm pleased to see it underway.
I thought you might say that. It gives Dora something practical to do, and means the project needn't be a hopeless dream.
A sound plan, Goddess.
Salutations.
Bon. Pas trop mal, et puis bon, ce qu'on va faire, alors on va plutôt aller voir Nemesis. J'ai plutôt envie de commencer par elle. Allez.
I know you dislike excesses of any kind, though. I don't think one more ambrosia bottle's going to tip the scales for you, is it, Nem?
It might. Won't go to the taverna to find out, so why don't you take it back? Not really the time for luxuries.
How about you hold on to it until whenever you feel it's deserved? If you're not indulging, you don't need to be concerned about it, right?
Want to waste something like this? Fine. But it's just going in a stash, and probably we'll never see what little light we get. Long as you're good with that?
I am.
Nice. Cela dit, étant donné qu'il n'y a pas eu de truc, peut-être que je peux faire.
Look at all this stuff. I wanted you to have this, Lord Moros, since you seemed to enjoy it last time. Ambrosia may flow freely on Olympus, but we Chthonic gods should get our share as well, wouldn't you say?
Oh, I think that's a better question for Nemesis. It's not for me to say whether we deserve such things. And the fates did not advise me as to whether I should accept such gifts. Nor did I ever think to ask.
I can't believe I'm saying this, though there's no need to overthink it so much. Since the fates aren't here to tell you, you could always listen to your heart in such a situation.
My heart? It isn't saying anything, Princess. But it is beating faster than I'm accustomed, even though I'm at rest and comfortable, mostly. Very comfortable. Ah, I don't wish to be so rude, so thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Nice.
You have been fixed upon your altar even more than usual of late. Have the Arcana shown you aught of note?
I'm beginning to see the cards in a new light. Each depicts a significant choice made in the past. Such knowledge may help make better choices in the future.
Indeed. We choose as wisely as we can, using what knowledge we have. So, you now clearer see into the cards, as you call them.
Indeed.
Oh. Vu la situation. On va regarder ça. On va passer sur ceci.
Here, come on, you slut. Observe how patient my disciples are, studying your every move. If ever you're inclined to give them a demonstration of your prowess, or just want to blow off some steam, do not hesitate to wail upon me.
Wail upon, sir?
Fatal blow.
Celui-là, il fait quoi déjà? Non, c'est pas ça que je veux, c'est ça.
You can hear me, can't you?
Vous avez accès à votre rue Omega. Ok.
Show the commander.
My vigil does resume. Did the trick.
Alors,
I can deepen my connection with the night.
j'en aurais pas besoin, donc on va juste dégager ça, rester à 2 pour s'entraîner avec le serment d'impiété sur
I'll make this count.
notre ennemi stress. Alors, lorsque votre travail est gagné, votre technique a 25% de chance, ça j'aime beaucoup. Ça c'est aussi très bien. C'est quand même cool ça rajoute des...
The power of Cassinthe. Good find.
Bien sûr, on va commencer par aller chercher ça.
I have returned.
Ok.
The oath of the unseen compels you to exceed your limitations, but do not give in to the temptation to spread greater fear than you are able to withstand. The vow of rivals is about not merely strength, but perseverance.
Alors. Le slow est cool, mais je vais prendre le
Lunar
ray.
Ray.
Hades. Ares, pardon. On a combien sur moi? Suffisamment.
I find that there are moments when the thrill of battle practically consumes me. A feeling I once tried to suppress, but now I realize it leads to victory. And you, my lord.
I used to think no others in our family share preoccupations such as mine. In this I'm pleased to have been very much mistaken. Whenever the whim to dole out death strikes you, know I shall be there.
Ok.
markings on your armaments are reminiscent of the goddess Nyx. I know she oversaw the forging of the nocturnal arms, but she once wielded them herself.
Les attaques c'est cool, les glyphes je suis moins fan. Ça c'est cool.
Peace can wait.
Alors, on s'en fout. On s'en fout. Le dernier aurait été cool, mais non. Ceux-là sont mieux.
Rocky, go. Appreciate the help.
Voilà, comme ça j'ai de la mana max, c'est toujours cool. Ok, la vraie question maintenant. Aphrodite est très très bien, Apollon c'est généralement de la merde, donc Aphrodite.
This one again.
Oula, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Ah vache, j'étais bloqué. Ouh, j'ai merdé à mort.
Somebody said that awful heiress has been fluttering about, getting her nose in everybody's business instead of minding her own. We stopped inviting her to any of our feasts up here even before all this.
Alors les attaques c'est très bien, ça c'est pas mal non plus, je préfère ça déjà.
That's a feeling there.
De la vie max, c'est parfait. Ah. Ça sert à rien d'aller voir Caron avec si peu d'or, donc autant aller chercher l'or. Oh, cool.
Take your shot, sister.
One's exposed.
Où est-ce qu'elle est? Ah, là-bas.
Thought I'd drop in.
There you are.
Hard making friends with goddesses, but I have what I need. We can be on our own without feeling alone, you know? I hope you know. That's how it is for me.
I do know, and feel much the same. When we're not watching one another's backs, we have Selene and Headmistress watching over us. Still, it's always good to see you face to face.
You too. Most of my family I can do without most of the time. You're an exception. We may not be sisters by blood, but you'll always be Sister Malinoe to me.
Sure.
Likewise.
There's a particular chill in the air tonight. I almost broke a sweat. Though our foes were partly to blame. I think I know what's going on, Malinoe, but what is going on?
The Testament of Night is what? The fear and darkness spread, which may not seem to our immediate benefit, but the nocturnal arms grow stronger through it, and the realm.
Well then, in shadow we serve, to shadow we return. Olympus figured it was Kronos up to something. I had my doubts, but wanted to be sure.
Okay.
Here's what I have.
Le sort a une chance d'infliger des dégâts critiques. Pas mal. Pas encore celui-là, donc on va essayer. Rien d'intéressant, ce qui est cool, ça me permet de descendre là, sans aucun regret.
Looks valuable, Rocky. Why, thank you.
I recognize the artifacts you bear. Their brother weapons of infernal origin drink deep the blood of titans and grow strong, as these fate-forged servants of the underworld that thrive on pure nightmare itself.
Alors, augmente le mana max, très bien. Je vais prendre celui-là. Je vais tomber super vite à cause de mana, mais... Nice.
Your attention?
Rocky, go. Good job.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a là? C'est pas mal. Grosse reste de mana, mais c'est pas tip top non plus vu la situation. Donc, j'ai quand même un gros truc qui va bien, donc ça va. Glyph inflige temporairement plus de dégâts. Non, en fait on est beau. On va juste prendre ça pour avoir encore du mana derrière.
For the broker.
Ok, donc ça veut dire qu'on va devoir affronter Hécate en ayant du mana très limité. Pas de soucis. On va faire avec. On va commencer par prendre l'Apollon parce que, mine de rien, ça c'est plus lourd. Et qui inflige de dégâts, les glyphes infligent des dégâts aux ennemis dans leur zone d'effet juste avant la respiration, tout en appliquant une bouille. Je préfère bien la glyphe. Mana max, pas besoin de cendre, et on est parti. Ça va être chaud.
Greetings, witch. You have a raven friend with you. Birds seldom take to Erebus if they can even make their way. A spy, I thought at first, but no. Perhaps Selene sent him down to you.
This is Rocky, whom I found in a secluded glade nearby, all on his own. I know better than to trust inherently, though felt a strong connection to this one.
I likewise sense no ill intent from him. Our familiars may take on a variety of forms, no different from our friends or enemies. Let's see how well this one keeps up.
allons-y. Et ces trucs-là sont super chauds à esquiver. Chaque fois pour l'instant j'en suis à 2 refus de la mort sur le premier, c'est chaud. Agile, la force, oh le centaure tombe pile à temps. Allez. Copain.
So you have seen what shall become of Mount Olympus and abandon that foolhardy path. Soon, this one too.
Soigne, on récupère la pierre concave, mais on peut se prendre là. Oh, ça c'est bon.
Downward.
Ah, dommage. Pas grave.
Won't hurt at all. Seeds. Hail, almighty chaos.
Ah ouais, un peu ça. Les actions Oméga font perdre de la vie, mais après j'obtiens plein de trucs, c'est cool. On va prendre ça. Pas d'action Oméga, et on fait attention. On doit juste bourrer. Ok.
My boon from chaos came
Le
alive.
premier qui revient. Oh. Ah ouais, les choix sont rudes là. Je pense que augmenter le sort est quand même le plus intéressant. Alors, sachant qu'ici on a la radiance d'Apollon. Nice. La recharge, plus 40 de dégâts de base par seconde.
The light of the moon. Unseal one of the other paths,
Qu'est-ce
perhaps.
qu'on a d'autre? Ouais, on est parti.
You ought to have stayed below.
Oh, raté. Voilà.
Hideous thing. Glorious Aphrodite, you are truly stunning, yet your courage and confidence inspire me still more. I'm humbled to be in your presence and to be worthy of your favor.
I didn't know what to expect from you. A sister in arms at best? And I scarcely know you, save for glimpses from these messages. But despite all that, I've come to think of you as a friend. Someone to talk to. Thank you, love.
In the name of Hades.
Oh, ça c'est cool. Chaque fois que vous absorbez une goutte de plasma, un atome crochu qui arrive. Cool. L'élan est l'arrivée, inflige des dégâts, c'est très cool. On a assez de pognon pour se permettre d'aller là. Allons-y.
Rocky fetch. Nicely done. Let me help you.
Ok. Ben, on va prendre déjà ça. Technique, plus de dégâts sur une plus grande surface. La zone d'effet d'éclipse s'agrandit, ça j'aime beaucoup. J'augmente la zone d'éclipse. Voilà, ça on est très bien. On va chercher ça. Allez.
If not for all your speed and bravery, we never would have had a fighting chance against our enemy, Hermes. I don't think we'll soon be able to repay you for this, but I can try.
Also with you, Em, though I'm not much for tips and we've got pressing matters to attend to, don't you think? Though I appreciate it, honestly. Aphrodite's blessing on you, Em. Impressive work. Her graces are in very high demand. Much as she likes getting involved in personal affairs, yours surely is a special case.
Alors, réaction méga sont plus rapides. Il y a une probabilité d'activation, voit cette dernière augmenter à l'exception des effets d'esquive et d'éblouissement. La cadence maximale des élans est augmentée. On va augmenter les trucs de probabilité parce que je crois que... Voilà, le pourcentage de chance de critique... La chance de créer un atome crochu qui s'augmente. Ouais, on peut tenter ça. Meilleurs auspices. Pognon utilise.
that chaos curse I had.
Il va être temps de faire gaffe. Alors, restaurer un peu de vie tout de suite, c'est pas une mauvaise idée. J'en ai perdu pas mal. Les glyphes, les actions oméga, non, c'est bon, ça va. Oh, surtout qu'on est à la fin. Donc, on va directement aller ici. Oh.
Olympus, I accept this message.
Alors, les techniques affichent plus de dégâts et appliquent l'état lié, ça c'est très très bien. Ouais. On peut y aller. Ah, on a cassé, non c'est bon.
The old song and dance. Showtime.
Ooh, got a good feeling about this evening's show. How about you, gals? The crowd is all worked up. And look who else.
You likely sense the testament of night. Those who threaten the underworld are to be cast into obscurity, such as law.
Obscurity? We've never been bigger, and our stars are rising with each and every performance. And we're about to make this one to remember. We are
D'accord. C'était la violence.
They just won't shut up. For me.
Chasseuse, ténacité, Irénie, imbricatrice, enchanteresse.
Fetch, Rocky. Well done.
Alors, comme d'habitude, je vais prendre celui-là de façon à, hop, dans la vie, sublimer un truc. Un nouveau portail de chaos. À ce stade, je pense pas que ce soit une bonne idée. Je veux dire, on récupère le truc par deux. Oh, si, regardez ce que fait le premier. Hein.
Big drop.
Allez.
Don't give in. Don't give in.
Ouais, mais non, franchement, arrêt, c'est de la vie, c'est plus intéressant. Donc, désolé.
Golden once again.
No hiding from this light.
Good. Hear me on my authority.
Voilà. Oh, ça j'adore.
should be able to get out, I think.
Ouais, clairement, c'est à gauche que c'est mieux, mais bon.
Think you can catch me? Proved myself this time.
Alors, les attaques infligent plus de dégâts aux ennemis proches, c'est très bien. Les techniques infligent plus de dégâts avec les alliés. Non, plus de dégâts aux ennemis proches, c'est mieux. Et là, c'est plus intéressant d'aller chercher ça, quand même. Tout ça là.
Some nectar. That's fish. Got a bite. It's a little sobby.
Time for a dazzling display.
Ensnared.
Allez, on va commencer par prendre le truc qui augmente 2 fois plus. Ensuite, chaque combat votre sort affiche plus 50 lorsque vous lancez la première fois. Ok, et celui-là c'est coup de rush. Ah, je l'aime bien celui-là, il est cool. Et c'est là qu'il y a la zone. Ok.
Claim.
Il y a quoi? Oh, l'assaut frappe 3 fois supplémentaire. C'est cool. Même avec cette technique comme... Non, c'est là.
One more left. Illuminate my path. Ooh.
Alors le truc est petit, mais j'ai pas trouvé l'arbre au final. Où est-ce qu'il est? Si, il était là. Enfin si, je l'avais trouvé. Pourquoi ça je l'ai? Ok. Je fume la moquette. C'est assez violent quand même. Et go. Oh, ça y est.
So anyways, I guess what I'm trying to say is, I didn't mean for you to end up here, you know? But I get that you did. I don't want you to hate me.
Don't want you to hate me. Hate me. Hate me.
But I don't hate you. You're a great conversationalist, great listener. Which I don't mean romantically, just to be clear. But just... oh man. I'm a dummy. And I'm sorry too, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry too. Okay, I'm sorry too.
Oh, you don't have to say that. But I'm glad you feel the same way. So, like, maybe we can still be friends?
We can still be friends? Still be friends? Be friends?
Nice. And by the way, I like this bridge.
I like this bridge. This bridge. This bridge.
Restaure 50%. Nice. Tous les refus de la mort qui reviennent. Let's go.
Thanks as always, Echo. Good seeing you two.
Oh.
It's Hecuba the Hound. Now they're getting somewhere. We've come so far from the crossroads, haven't we?
Toujours pas? Pas encore.
Get home safe.
Je dirais en bas. J'ai pas de tunas, donc c'est mieux.
Show me the way.
Plein de choses. On va commencer par la petite nana qui est là.
Cleared.
Oui, je l'ai chargé. Allez. Chaque bien faire augmente les chances d'esquive, vous infligez plus de dégâts à chaque fois, plus d'or, j'ai pas encore ramassé l'or, ça peut valoir la peine. Quoique. Vitesse de déplacement aussi, donc ça fait de moi une fusée.
Ashes.
Là, je dois être à la fin, je pense. Ouais. 40. Je suis tellement rapide là sur ce coup-là.
Rocky, use that beak. Why, thank you. Why, hello.
Très très bien, Ira. Un ami subjugué en permanence si vous en affrontez plus de 2. Très très bien. J'ai bien fait quelconque. J'ai la glyphe solaire, l'intensité, ouais, alors c'est très bien parce que je les ai, hein. Néanmoins il y a ça quoi.
Protected.
Allez.
Cerberus, it's me. Don't you remember?
sketchy spot. The fire-breathing watchdog looks appeased.
Il y a juste des puces, c'est quand même terrible.
Always use more.
Ok. Let's go.
Onward, Rocky.
Alors. On va finir avec quoi? Je pourrais finir avec celui-là, ce serait marrant. Mais je me dis que celui-là est toujours très très cool. Ou j'en profite pour monter un autre truc. Donc il y a à faire. De frappe, de déplacement et de canalisation augmente pendant 200 secondes dès que vous en équipez. Ah, pas violent. Allez. Tenue célérité. Qu'est-ce que ça fait celui-là? Nice. Qu'est-ce qu'on a là? Restaurer de la vie, pas besoin. Pas besoin. Ça coûte pas très cher, on est déjà enroué. On va aller super vite.
Unseen. I'm in.
Boom.
It worked.
Double là, c'est plus intéressant. Je dirais que...
You missed me, didn't you?
Alors ça c'est très bien, les attaques infligent plus de dégâts de base, mais je concentre, l'ennemi affaibli subit plus de dégâts. On va augmenter ça. Je sais.
Need I remind you that I'm not particularly fond of those who turn their backs on me.
Had to do it. Message for me.
Consider yourself reprimanded, my dear. Know that you got off lightly.
Ça c'est pas mal. C'est un bouclier. Pour diffuser des dégâts, celui-là est très très bien. Très très cool. Un Apollon augmenté. Je pense qu'on va prendre ça. celle-là est pas mal, c'est-à-dire que c'est le boss qui s'est trouvé charmant.
Traitorous wretch. Into the purse. In the name of Hades.
Alors, ce que vous subissez, celui-là est pas mal, touché largement. Vous infligez plus de dégâts jusqu'à ce que vous en subissiez. Oui, l'ennemi ébloui. Subissent plus de dégâts lorsqu'ils sont frappés de dos, c'est pas forcément mauvais. Je vais quand même celui-là. Quoique j'ai pas besoin. Je fais déjà tellement de dégâts et enfin. C'est surtout j'ai pas besoin de résister, on va dire. Allez, on va prendre le bonus de dégâts de 15%.
So bright.
Ah là. Je voyais pas. Forcément, on va aller là.
Father.
To think that you have seen Olympus with your own eyes. Your brother never had that opportunity. And I myself. My life is here, but I've no memories of mountain tops.
It must have been a sight to behold once. Now it's beset with the Titan's legions and mindless automaton defenders that want me destroyed just as much as our foes.
I told them never to depend on such contraptions. A proper army needs to be driven by glory, if not fear. Their automatons feel nothing. How well can they possibly fight?
They fight pretty well.
Oh, votre élan affiche des dégâts aux ennemis tout en leur appliquant l'état méprisé. C'est quoi ça? Attaquez votre technique inflige plus 30% de dégâts là-dessus. Je connaissais pas.
I shall return. Few chambers left.
On n'est pas pressé. Oh zut.
The light of the sun.
Good work, Rocky.
Alors, l'arrivée.
Set.
Prends. Allons-y. Je vais chercher soit celui du haut, ouais, qui est pas trop mal, soit celui du bas, qui est beaucoup mieux. Voilà. Et là, je prends un truc en plus, qui fait plus 5%, plus 5%. moins 10% de dégâts ou plus 5%. Ah non, j'avais oublié celui-là.
The sheer might of the moon. Fetch that, please, Rocky. Thanks, little one.
Allons-y. Maintenant, j'ai vigueur transcendée. J'obtiens de la vie. Bon, ok. C'est pour ça de prix. Pas vraiment ce qui me plaît le plus. Mais bon. Allez. Encore dessus, mais bon. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Pas assez pour ça, donc on va prendre le reste. Alors, celui-là est très bien. Celui-là est très bien aussi.
On which I would pay the boatman's fare myself. So many souls did I send down at once into the underworld. Those were good times.
Alors. Oh. 8 airs. Je les ai pas. Je les aurai jamais. Ça c'est pas mal. On va prendre celui-là. Supplice. Ah attends, je peux essayer d'altérer. R2.
Let's do it.
Celui-là est bien.
Yes. Lord Charon.
Voilà, plus de gouttes de plasma, c'est très bien.
Predictable. Now, what is that preposterous contraption which you wear? Alas, not even I am able to keep up with you young upstarts in your perplexing fashion trends.
Oh, this is the black coat. I haven't put it on for fashion's sake, although you're right in that you won't be able to keep up.
Such confidence in your abilities, or in the Fate's designs. But you must know, newfangled armaments such as that cannot compare with the classics.
aller loin le temps où j'arrivais pas à esquiver cette faux. Et voilà.
Once more, I am undone, but I shall be back in the blink of an eye. No god can vanquish me.
Suffer in darkness. In you go. I have what I need for now. Chip away, Rocky. Appreciate the help.
So incomparable is the tale of the princess of the underworld that why I cannot even find the words. Though by the gods, eventually I shall.
Return to Shadow now.
Ok, tout bon. On va juste faire un petit peu d'histoire parce que maintenant on a les romances qui ont l'air d'être débloquées.
I suppose you'd not have liked it, living in that house instead of here.
Hey, if you showed up just a bit sooner, you could have heard Nemesis complaining at the store again.
That's not mock retribution incarnate, if you know what's good for you. She and Headmistress have been at each other's throats.
You know I could, like, possess her for you, right? Just kind of swoop in there, rattle around in her head a little bit, make her do some bad stuff. Embarrassing stuff. Just for a little while, I mean, if I got caught in there.
Dora, don't. Come along then.
Nice.
Chaos is the source of life and all its hardships.
The shades around here. I know they've been avoiding you, Lord Moros. Some are filled with fear, others with contempt. You ended their lives?
It never was for me to decide why a mortal's life should suddenly be cut short. But I did get to choose the how of it. Knowing the future could be monotonous work, so my sisters and I tried to keep things interesting.
You brought misery to mortals because you were bored.
I'm not proud of it. Especially not when you put it that way. And I regret I've caused dissension in your ranks.
I'll handle it.
Oh, hail, goddess. I didn't notice your approach. Half inclined to blame the onset of the years, but I have no such excuses in this state.
I didn't mean to startle you, Odd. How's the mood been around here? Everything all right?
The mood and everything is well enough. Our ranks swell with shades moved by the tale that the princess of the underworld has returned, with vengeance on her mind.
Nothing like a bit of sworn vengeance to inspire the masses. Though, what about you?
Everything's shipshape with me, especially after a brief reprieve right here. Be well, goddess.
You too.
Là, je me sens lent tout d'un coup.
How's it going?
So what's been going on with you and Kronos anyway? You keep beating him, but he keeps coming back. I like how pointless it seems, but there has to be more to it, right?
Come on, Eris. I'm not about to reveal the critical details of my task, especially to someone who had every opportunity to be part of it to begin with. Go about your business.
How about you just give me a little hint?
Are you planning to use his own powers against him? Break free our family members one by one? Anything like that?
Not telling you.
Mean.
Smells delicious.
Bon, on va encore faire des friandises.
Power to create. This will take a little while. Oh. You'll flourish here. Salutations to the shades of the unseen. Father.
Hey, you don't deserve this. Any of this. It's unfair. But you're stuck with it. So the only question is, what are you going to do about it now?
You'll soon find out. Though, how can you be so sure I don't deserve what's happening or that it isn't fair?
You almost had me going there.
You're here, Lord Charon. Now we wait.
Okay.
Should be of use.
Ok, et ben on va monter. Toi pour la peine.
You're always in this corner on your own. Come to the taverna for a bit. We can let loose and have a good time, as you say. Got a bottle of ambrosia right here.
Babe, that's so spontaneous of you. How could I say no? As long as I'm still allowed in there after what happened. That stuff goes down smooth. How about another? And nice job with this place. Really looks like you all fixed everything up.
This entire area was off limits for some time. It took a rather complex purification ritual and the efforts of a great many shades to restore it, so... well, I won't even ask.
Good. I'm glad you won't even ask. Means we're really starting to get to know each other. Though, aren't you worried what the Shades are gonna say? I mean, about us?
No, I hadn't considered that there might be some regrettable way to misconstrue our meeting. Although in retrospect, that was foolish. What do you expect they'll say?
Oh, you know. They see the way you talk to me, pick up after me, take me to the hot springs, give me nectar, even ambrosia. I mean, come on. They're not stupid.
What? Eris, none of those things... An outing at the taverna is not some sort of... This simply was an opportunity to speak at greater length for once.
Hate to disappoint, but I didn't come here to speak. Now pour up. I don't have all night, and this ambrosia's way too bitter just for taking little swigs.
Well, cheers then.
That was so sweet of you to bring me along. And not a single piece of property destroyed. Glad we could do this.
Same here. Fresh from the pot. Some wheat.
Ça c'est bon. Ça c'est testé, hein.
Thought I'd bring you something extra for your never-to-be-used stash, Nemesis. Because you might deserve it at some point. You never know.
You never know. What makes you even think I might deserve something like this? Not exactly been at the top of my field lately.
Well, I am not the arbiter of such matters, of course. But I think you do deserve it. You must be harder on yourself than anyone. If only you could see yourself as I do sometime.
Don't know what that's supposed to mean. We were going for the same result and both pushed hard. So what? But anyway, into the stash this goes.
Where it belongs.
Hey now.
If I've learned anything, it's that with practice comes perfection, or as close as we can ever get. So, what do you say we practice listening to our hearts a little more? Here, this is for you.
I'm attempting to listen to my heart right now, Princess. But if truly it can speak, I'm afraid it's speaking a bit rapidly, such that I can't entirely understand or know what to do, as though I'm in one of your binding spells.
How about I go first, and next I offer you ambrosia, you can be prepared. For now, my heart says, I feel comfortable around you, even though you make me feel like royalty, which, come to think of it, I do not mind at all.
I thank you very much for that, Princess. I'm pleased that you approve of me this way, and next time, as you say, I'll be better prepared to express my sentiment in turn.
A fated list of minor prophecies. Hail, broker.
Actuellement, les
This is for return.
je me servent toujours pas. Ah, là. Oh, je peux les garder pour l'instant, j'en ai pas des masses.
So, what's up?
This sounds good.
Can do.
Not bad.
I just can't stand ceramic jars somehow, but do your thing.
Should fit the spirit of this place.
It shall be done.
We'd best not draw up water from this type of well, but sure.
Boom.
Cool.
This seems promising.
If that is your will.
Here? Maybe with this thing, Nemesis can finally give it a rest.
You know what? Sure.
Huh? Old architecture always has a certain charm, I guess.
Ok, ça c'est fait.
My altar.
Alors les prochains, ce sont celles-là à nouveau.
trolley. Good, wasn't it?
On
Grow
va en faire
strong,
une
my
autre.
friend. Oh,
Et une toute dernière, histoire d'en garder juste une
surprise.
pour le tout dos.
Ooh.
Allez, on s'arrête là pour ce soir.
Hey, come on, guys.
Not quite as damp as Oceanus here, is it? Moonlight, guide us.
Serious?
You know, I've always wondered about all those commendations that you wear. Which was the first you earned? Which means the most?
Oh, you mean these little numbers here? One of these I've had since the Siege of Ilium. Speared many a guy for that one. The others are from campaigns across the land.
Which sorts of campaigns?
Across the land, I said. Out of here. But can you vanquish me again?
Abyssal visions.
Oh, il y en a pas mal qui sont arrivés que j'avais pas avant. Si, je les avais peut-être, cela dit. Je suis pas sûr. Peu importe. Allez, ça suffit pour ce soir. Temps d'aller dormir. On va pas prendre trop de temps. Hop là. Allez. Sur ce,